I was asked recently about peppers on the porch, so we'll call this the porch pepper video. And we've got a Basque pepper here, little lettuce growing behind that. This is September, so it's towards the end of the season. Got a bunch of Czech Black, and they're very black until they're a nice, bright, cherry garnet looking color. Very nice. Got some Cayenne peppers here, and most of these are in 5-gallon grow bags. There may be one or two that are in a 7-gallon grow bag. I pretty much just set these in here. Look at all those green ones. I hope the weather holds out so I can get all that nice tasty cayenne action. Got some orange there. There should be some flavor on those ones. We've got our jalapeno here, which if you saw that one earlier in the season, the plant just continued to grow, just needs a little bit longer season. Hopefully, we'll get there. And then right next to it is our Basque pepper. Lots of green. This one could definitely do with some better sunlight. I'm kind of rustling with something here. I've got beans growing up this. I've got a video that I need to edit and post for that too. But already harvested quite a bit growing up these sunflowers. However, the sunflowers are shading my peppers for part of the day, so it's slowing down the ripening process a little bit. Something to consider there. And then we've got these hot paprikas. This plant has been so productive so far this year. Even in the not best sunlight, it's just going. Got another Basque pepper right here. It just rained overnight, so that is what's causing that. And of course, holy cow, we've got a giant Basque pepper right there, real fatty. Look at that. Right back here behind, we've got a lemon drop pepper. I just put the lemon drops out way too late in the season, unfortunately. And then we've got another cayenne pepper right back here. And it's got lots of red that I need to get to in the next few days. Lots of green too. So I'm hoping that we can ride out the not quite too cold nights, get some more ripening like we did with the Carolina Reaper last year, and get really deep into the season. But that is the quick update for right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.